Hello friends, welcome to iExamB. I am Arunima and from today we are going to start a new series of The Hindu editorial discussion. So our today's article is Across the Gulf. It is about the Indian migrant workers in GCC countries, Gulf Cooperation Council countries, what they are facing today, how they are suffering due to this COVID-19 and what the Indian government should do for them. So let us start. So it talks about Gulf Cooperation Council, as you can see here, Gulf Cooperation Council countries. Let us quickly see which are these GCC countries. So there are 6 countries. You can see here Kuwait, Bahrain, Qatar, UAE, Oman, and Saudi Arabia. These 6 countries are GCC countries. So we can say all the Arab states except Iraq of the Persian Gulf are actually GCC countries. Now let us come back to the article. So it says that approximately 80 lakh Indian people are actually working in these GCC countries, these 6 countries, and it constitutes a unique cohort among Indian diaspora communities around the world. So here these two words are important, I think, cohort and diaspora. So cohort means a group of people who share a common belief or common behavior or common feature. So here all of them are Indians, so definitely they share common behavior, common beliefs. And among Indian diaspora, so diaspora, all the persons who go to some other country for their work. So Indian diaspora, all the Indians who work in other countries. It says that out of those 80 lakh people who work in GCC countries, 50% are unskilled and 30% are semi-skilled. Only a small minority of 20% are skilled and lucratively employed. So out of 80% of unskilled and semi-skilled workers, most of them are living at subsistence level. Means every day they earn and every day they spend. But all of them actually help India to strengthen its ties with these GCC countries. Also, 40% of the total foreign exchange remittances come from these 80 lakh persons working in these GCC countries. That means they play a very crucial role in increasing our foreign exchange reserve also. But today, because of this COVID-19, they are facing a very tough situation there. They are not in India. They couldn't come to India. They are stranded there in other countries and facing a very tough situation. And whatever information India is having about them, from that we come to know that because of the bad working and living conditions, they are not able to actually practice social distancing. If they get infected, they are not able to get treatments. Because of the lockdown, many of them have become jobless. Also, for their pre-existing medical conditions, many of them used to procure medicines from India because of the low cost, but that is also not possible now. They are also not able to come back to India. There are many Indian travelers also who has got stuck there. Then the writer says that India must help these stranded workers in those countries. Indian government should talk to the government of these countries to give them help so that at least they can get uh, food, shelter, treatment. If they are not well, if they are infected, proper treatment must be given to these people. Then it also says that this crisis is also the testing time for the relationship of India with these countries, as the UAE government has already taken some measures for repatriation, and the Kerala government, actually out of 80 lakh Indian workers in these GCC countries, 20 lakh are only from Kerala. So Kerala Chief Minister P. Vijayan, he said that he is ready and prepared to receive these returnees if they are able to come back to Kerala. He is ready to take care of all of them. But other 60 lakh people are from other states of India. So central government must talk to all these states and think of something which is acceptable to all the states and that can help to these workers either there, or if they come back here, they should be come back safely and then they should be taken care of. This the writer says in the end, that at least this much India must do for those people who search for a livelihood has done the country so much good. So we have also come across some more words. So succor, so this means help or sympathy for the people who are in problem. So here, since you are reading these words in a context, it is easier for you to remember this. Repatriate. So we have seen some words in this article: cohort, diaspora, succor, repatriate. In this context, try to remember these words. Now your homework. So in the comment box, you can write the 6 member countries of GCC, which we have discussed in the beginning of the video. Thank you, friends. Thanks for watching.